Okay, I'm taking a picture of, this is what both sides look like when we started. This is where we are now. Fortunately, this hub is going to, it broke loose, it's coming off. And since this side had been replaced, it looked like the previous shop had a little problems with it too. But with that puller basically ripped the bearing completely in half. More to follow. All right, we put on the new stub axle U-joints. We greased it up as recommended. We've slid it on. We're going to put a little all around this surface here. We're going to put some anti-seize just in case we ever have to take this off again, and we'll grease this up properly, as well as now we need to assemble the hub assembly as directed in the directions. More to follow. Okay, here it is with the hub installed. Like he says in his ads, it was very simple. Gang, the thing you're going to find to be the toughest is getting that old hub off. It can be challenging. All you got to do is look at YouTube and you can see. So now we just button it up and do the other side. I chose to keep my my dust shield for the disc brake to guard that. I put it all back the way it was originally, with the exception of the pretty awesome hubs. I'll have more in a moment. All right, we're back to the driver's side, letting the stub axle soak a little bit. You can see, yes, I'm using your bucket idea there, Wayne. You can also see I've replaced this one within the last 6 months. The all that silver stuff is anti-seize, and it came right apart. The hub is assembled, lubed, and got plenty of grease in it, and ready to be slid into place. So as soon as I'm going to let it soak a little longer, and then we'll get after it. Thank you. All right, driver's side's all pressed up. We're going to slide that on and button her down. All right, job complete. Hubs are in. That one's done. That one's done.